We got a tornado warning. We got tornado clouds right now in the back of our house. See these clouds rolling, lightning everywhere. Oh my God. Look at them clouds. It's like all the clouds just pushing into one. Ooh! Big lightning. Big lightning. Clouds coming from everywhere, gathering in one spot. Please don't let it be a tornado right here. Keep it moving, keep it pushing. Keep it pushing. Oh yeah, light. Keep it pushing. Keep it pushing. Go about your business, tornado. Go about your business, please. We ain't got time for this. Come on, get out of here. Oh, keep it moving. Oh, wind picking up. Wind picking up. Wind picking up. Who's gonna start that funnel? Don't do it. Like there's one. Oh my God. Don't do it. This is suspect. Huh? Don't start the funnel. Don't start the funnel. Please don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't start the funnel. Keep it moving that way. Oh, lightning everywhere. It's like everything is gravitating to the tornado that's back there. Yeah, I want to go get him.
Well, it's time to go.
Yeah. Yeah, the wind picking up right now. You called Bird? Don't do it, please don't do it. That's hail. Oh. Keep it moving that way, please. Keep it moving, keep it moving. Keep it moving, keep it moving. So we got a tornado 5 miles to the south of us right now. And you know, all these clouds are gravitating to the tornado in that direction. So I just hope that we don't have one form in this area. Yeah, I really hope. I don't need that right now. Just keep it moving that way and keep it moving south. So all these tornado clouds are rolling. They're trying to form. We got a little bit of hail right now. Yeah, it's a tornado south that way right now. Just saw the news. Really big tornado, nice funnel. So all these clouds are migrating to that area. So I just hope that we don't have a funnel cloud start here. Yeah, we can take the rain and the lightning all day, but I can't do a tornado right now. So, you know, I just can't do it. I'm actually terrified, petrified by these tornadoes. Never saw one up close, but I'm really scared of a tornado. Keep having these dreams about them. So, let's just hope I don't get one around here where I live at. Yeah, they got the wind picking up. Rain is gonna be slanted. Yeah, whenever you see that tree start blowing hard, yeah, it's a lot of wind. A lot of wind. Tornadoes to the south. It's a really strong tornado too. F4 right now. So, yeah, wind picking up. Alright. Let's just hope no tornadoes forming here. Yep. Let me go pick my daughter up.